Now, off you go. Off you go. Now, off you go. Out, honey. There you go. Off you go. Off you go. She's kind of reluctant to go anywhere this morning. She's already dug a hole in her kennel to clean everything out. PJ's in a happy mood. He tails up and away. Off you go. Where's Kitty Dog, hey? Kitty Dog. Eh? Off you go. He's got her in the pen. You never know. Yeah, never know then.
Come on, I need to go back inside. My butt's cold.
And he's got her down again. Off you go, guys! Off you go, Skeet! She always looks so vicious, yet there's never a mark on her, but he sure makes her slobbery. Off you go, guys! And there. You can tell they're playing because the tail's wagging. Off you go! Off you go! Off you go! Now says, watch it, guys, don't run into me. I don't feel that great. There's things trying to get out. There's things trying to get out down there now. There's things trying to get out. Hey, Kitty Dog, off you go. Off you go now. Let's go, BB.